class. In the previous video, we had studied about the spinal cord tumor. The previous video, we had told about definition of spinal cord tumor, types, causes, and signs and symptoms of spinal cord tumor. So now we'll start with diagnostic evaluation of this, which is done. So in case of diagnostic evaluation, we just go with neurological examination, CT scan, MRI scan, biopsy is done to confirm with the tumor, and then we go with electroencephalogram. Okay, we go with electroencephalogram as well as spinal tap procedure is done. Okay, that is lumbar puncture test is usually done to know if there is any infections. So that is usually about this diagnostic test that is usually done. It is done mainly neurological examination, CT scan, MRI scan, electroencephalography and electroencephalogram, spinal cord lumbar puncture test एंड बायोप्सी इट इज़ यूजली डन. तो डायग्नोस्टिक एवेलुएशन में हम लोग न्यूरोलॉजिकल एग्जामिनेशन करेंगे, सीटी स्कैन करेंगे, एमआरआई स्कैन करेंगे, इलेक्ट्रोएंसेफेलोग्राम करेंगे और उसके बाद लंबा पंचर टेस्ट करेंगे और बायोप्सी करेंगे. बायोप्सी हम लोग करते हैं ताकि हम लोग कंफर्म कर सकें कि ट्यूमर है बंदे को. सो दैट इज़ यूजली अबाउट दिस डायग्नोस्टिक एवेलुएशन. So this is about this diagnosis. So next is management. So management, mainly the aim of this management is mainly to prevent or reduce the pressure or damage to the nerve. Okay, damage to the nerve due to the pressure by the tumor. So it is the main aim of this management is mainly to reduce the pressure that is pressure to the nerves which has been given by the ट्यूमर. ओके, विच इज़ यूजली गिवन बाय द ट्यूमर. तो इसका मैनेजमेंट का एम है कि हम लोगों को प्रेशर को रिड्यूस करना है, मतलब प्रेशर को रिड्यूस करना है ताकि नर्व डैमेज ना हो. कि ट्यूमर से जो प्रेशर बन रहा है उसको रिड्यूस करना है ताकि नर्व डैमेज ना हो. सो द मेन एम ऑफ दिस इज टू रिड्यूस द डैमेज ऑफ द नर्व बाय द pressure of the tumor. So due to this pressure, what are the damage that is occurring to the nerve that has to be reduced. This is the aim of management. So management, mainly we go with surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy and administering steroids. So management we go with surgery, chemotherapy, radiation therapy and steroids. So when we talk about this surgery it is mainly performed to remove the tumor without damaging the spine. Okay, so it is mainly performed to remove the tumor without damaging the spine. So the surgery which we go, it is mainly decompressive laminectomy. Okay, we go with performing decompressive laminectomy where only tumor is removed but the spine is not damaged. Okay, only the tumor is removed but the spine is not damaged, and it also relieves compression. Okay, it also relieves compression so that the nerve is not damaged. Okay, it also relieves compression so that the nerve is not damaged. So surgery, it is mainly performed to remove the tumor without damaging the spine, and the surgery which is performed, it is decompressive laminectomy. Okay, decompressive laminectomy which removes the tumor as well as reduces the compression. Okay, which removes the tumor as well as reduces the compression. तो हम लोग सर्जरी में यहाँ पे इसलिए सर्जरी इसलिए कर रहे हैं ताकि हम लोग को ट्यूमर निकालेंगे मगर स्पाइन को कुछ डैमेज नहीं होने देंगे, स्पाइन को कुछ डैमेज नहीं होने देंगे. और जो सर्जरी हम लोग परफॉर्म करेंगे वो है डिकम्प्रेसिव लैमिनेक्टमी, जहाँ पे हम लोग सिर्फ ट्यूमर को निकालेंगे और कंप्रेशन को अवॉइड करेंगे, कंप्रेशन को भी अवॉइड करेंगे ताकि नर्व डैमेज ना हो सके, ताकि नर्व डैमेज ना हो सके. सो नेक्स्ट इज रेडियोथेरेपी. रेडियोथेरेपी, इन दिस मेनली वी गो विथ एक्सटर्नल रेडियोथेरेपी वेयर लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ बीम आर यूजुअली passed from the outside the body. External, we use mainly external radiotherapy. And next is chemotherapy where we use cytotoxic drugs. Okay, where we use cytotoxic drugs to destroy the tumor. Okay, we use cytotoxic drugs to destroy the tumor cells. And last is steroids. Steroids are usually given either through orally or through injection. Okay, steroids are mainly given either through orally or injection. So this is given just before the surgery or after the surgery along with radiotherapy and chemotherapy. Along with radiotherapy and chemotherapy, this is usually given just before the surgery or after the surgery along with chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Surgery के अलावा यहाँ पे हम लोग radiation therapy यूज़ करेंगे. Radiation therapy हम लोग यहाँ पे external radiation therapy करेंगे क्योंकि radiation therapy के बारे में पूरा मैंने ऑन्कोलॉजी में पढ़ाया था, तो प्लीज़ आप लोग फिर से पढ़ लेना. तो यहाँ पे हम लोग एक्सटर्नल रेडिएशन थेरेपी करेंगे. एक्सटर्नल रेडिएशन थेरेपी जहाँ पे हम लोग रेडिएशन लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ बीम ऑफ रेज विल बी पास फ्रॉम द आउटसाइड द बॉडी, मतलब बाहर, शरीर से बाहर से हम लोग वहाँ पे देंगे. उसके बाद कीमोथेरेपी ड्रग्स देंगे. कीमोथेरेपी ड्रग्स में हम लोग साइटोटॉक्सिक ड्रग्स देंगे और लास्टली हम लोग स्टेरॉइड्स देंगे. स्टेरॉइड्स अदर ओरली देंगे या उन लोगों को इंजेक्शन के थ्रू देंगे. ये सर्जरी से पहले देंगे, ये सर्जरी के बाद देंगे. रेडिएशन थेरेपी और कीमोथेरेपी के साथ साथ में ये देंगे. सो दिस इज एक्चुअली अबाउट दिस मैनेजमेंट ऑफ स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ट्यूमर. तो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड ट्यूमर मैनेजमेंट इज मेनली टू प्रिवेंट the damage to the nerve that is occurred due to the compression by the spinal cord tumors. So mainly we go with surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy and steroids. Surgery, it is where decompressive laminectomy is done to remove the tumor but does not damage the spine, as well as reduces the compression which will not damage the nerves. Radiation therapy, external radiation therapy is used. Chemotherapeutic drugs like cytotoxic drugs is usually given. Then steroids, either it will be given through orally or injection. This is given just before the surgery or after the surgery, along with radiation therapy and chemotherapy. So this is about the spinal cord tumor. Spinal cord tumor is nothing but cancerous growth that occurs in the spinal cord. It causes, it might is unknown, but it might be related to genetic. Mainly they will be having pain in the neck and back region. So this is about the spinal cord tumor. Just I'll send you the video. Please check it out and go through the notes.